My batch, when I started in fall 2017, there were 108 people in my batch. There are people from all different places, like there are a lot of people from Asia. Similarly, there are people from Europe. Definitely there are people from America as well, because it's their home country. So but yeah, overall you can see a lot of people from India and China, especially because a lot of people from India and China apply to US for masters, and even in my program it's the same. So while getting used to all the other things, and obviously when you have a lot of course load, it's probably a bit difficult to be a part of recreational activities. The max that I've seen people doing in the first semester at least is, apart from the courses, they do some part-time job or a non-campus job, which a lot of people do. I did not do in the first semester only. I did it in the second semester. But apart from the courses and the assignments and the submissions and projects and everything, the maximum that people do it in the do in the first semester is on campus job, because even that is like 10 hours or 15 hours or 20 hours every week. You can only do up to 20 hours. Apart from that, it's difficult to be a part of recreational activities, at least only in the first semester. From the second semester, because you got used to everything over here and it's not new for you, and then obviously if you don't have so much workload, even if you have an on-campus job, you can still manage to take out time for other stuff, like going to the gym or recreational activities. And definitely in the summer, because you don't have any coursework in summer, if you're not taking anything, if you're just doing an internship or anything, at least in Champaign, like I am working in Champaign only, so you can definitely definitely have a lot of time to go to the gym and play sports or anything like that. So basically, information management, for me, at least, one has their own different perspective. But for me, information management is like a mixture of different principles, where it includes courses from computer science, it includes courses from statistics, and even includes a few courses and topics from business. So it's like a mixture of all different principles and all different fields, and it has been made, it's like a tailored program which has been made from all these different courses which are very popular, and you get an experience about all different things when you are a part of this program. So you require 40 credits to graduate. Like I said, there are four different specializations over here, but two of them are really popular. One is data science and analytics, and the second one is information consulting and knowledge management. So there are a lot of people who specialize in both of these. So this is something which is not not specific. I would say this is not specific to my only my program, which is information management. For any master's degree, anywhere in US, wherever, whichever university that you do, it's always good to have a GPA score which is above 3. Um Below 3, it's considered, it's not considered to be bad, but then you should try and improve your average to make to get it above 3.